Welcome to my channel, The MS Scam. Ever wondered how sweet smelling perfumes and fruity flavors are made? It all starts with a simple reaction, esterification. When an alcohol meets an acid, magic happens. But how? Let's dive into the secret behind this fascinating chemical transformation. So, what an esterification reaction is? A chemical reaction that helps in making sweet smelling substances called esters, and it happens when a carboxylic acid like acetic acid reacts with an alcohol, for example ethanol, and a strong acid like sulfuric acid is used as a catalyst to speed up the reaction, and the reaction produces an ester, for example ethyl acetate, and a byproduct water. So a general reaction is given for the esterification reaction. You can see RCOOH is an acid and R-OH is an alcohol. These two substances react to form RCOO R-, which is an ester, and water. For the manufacture of ethyl acetate, the reaction is given below: CH3COOH. This is the formula of acetic acid, and C2H5OH, ethyl alcohol. They react together in the presence of acid H2SO4 to form CH3COOC2H5, that is ethyl acetate and ester plus water. And now the mechanism of esterification reaction is: step 1 is the protonation of the carboxyl group. The acetic acid molecule is protonated by the acid catalyst, and the acid is used H2SO4, making the carbonyl carbon more electrophilic. You can see on the board that H positive ion from the acid, it protonates the carboxylic acid. The H positive ion goes to the carbonyl oxygen, and a positive charge appear on the carbonyl oxygen. So the protonated acid is given on the right hand side. Step 2 is the nucleophilic attack by ethanol. The ethanol acts as a nucleophile and attacks the carbonyl carbon, forming a tetrahedral intermediate. You can see in the structure that the OH group of the ethanol is more nucleophilic, so it attacks on the carbon of the carbonyl group, and the double bond of the carbon so migrates its electron to the oxygen, which is positively charged. And you can see on the right hand side an intermediate step is formed in which carbon, which is attached to the two hydroxyl groups, it's tetrahedral in nature. And step 3 is the proton transfer. A proton shift occurs, facilitating the departure of the water molecules. A proton H positive is shifted to OH group, thus making it in the form of water, and the elimination of the water molecule is facilitated in this step. And now in step 4, a water molecule is removed and ethyl acetate, which is the product, is formed. And now again the C double bond O group is formed, and it happens when a proton is eliminated and giving its electron to the carbonyl oxygen. So a double bond is formed between carbon to oxygen, and water molecule is also eliminated in the form of a byproduct. So ethyl acetate is the product which is formed during this reaction. This ethyl acetate is actually the ester, and these are the final products ethyl acetate, which has the formula CH3COOC2H5, and it is an ester, and the water molecule which is ejected during this formation of the ethyl acetate, and this is the byproduct. So this reaction is very important in chemistry and industries that produce perfumes, artificial flavors, and medicines. If you found this helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more chemistry breakdowns. See you in the next video. This is Simplified Chemistry with the MS Chem.